No training wheels. I gotta run to keep up with you. This is awesome. Oh, and you put your foot down and drop the bike. You're too funny, little man. What's wrong? What's wrong? Ow, mosquito. Hey.
Mama, I can't watch.
Hey.
Mama, watch!
There's no mosquitoes. That one is after me. Ow. Is that what has made you stop?
Yeah.
Damn. Look at my little man go. Oh, baby. Mama's so proud of you. Oh, I gotta run to keep up. Oh, I saw you turn and laugh at me. Oh, you're so awesome.
I'm falling a hole.
Yep, you're falling to horse.
Yeah, I'm falling the rope.
Guess it's time to get you a bigger bike now, huh?
Yeah. I'm big now. I was on Steven's bike.
You did? You rode on Steven's bike?
Yeah.
Don't he have a big bike?
Yeah.
Man, you're awesome.
Mama.
What?
Pocket way. I'm not trying to can't get
Got stuck in the sand there, huh? But you didn't fall. I love you. Do you have to torture bugs? Hey.
See.
There you go. Wow. Man, my little speed demon.
Yeah.
You're giving Mama a workout here. I have to run to keep up with you. All right. And you don't have the training wheels stopping you now. That's right. That's right. That's awesome, babe.
Yeah. I want a big cat.
The cat's already been fed.
No, I want to see him again.
We don't need this cat getting too fat.
I want it to get
Ugh, why?
fat.
You know, you could just set your bike against the brick there. Hey. I love you.